Equity could be defined as the difference between what your home's value is minus your principal balance on the loan, and whatever's left over is what we call the equity you have in your home. Now, as the market fluctuates, prices going up, going down, and as you pay off your loan, you're going to have changing equity over a period of time. Historically in real estate, as you're paying off your loan and as you are seeing appreciation in your market over the long period of time, you're building equity in your real estate holdings. Regarding equity, the most common product a home buyer is going to utilize in our marketplace to purchase a home is a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. In a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, majority of the early life of the term of the loan is interest majority payments. And slowly, in time, more of that becomes principal payments. And as you make more principal payments to pay off your loan, naturally that equation means that you're building more and more equity, or you have more equity in the property that you own.